Hey guys, I am Chad Gallagher with Slate House Group Property Management, and yeah, we're just rolling out another video here about some things we've learned in real estate investing. Today we're going to cover rent increases. So rent increases are a topic that leads to a bunch of debate among investors. Some folks think that you actually should not increase rent year to year, just keep rent the same. Other folks think you should actually increase rent. And so today I'm going to talk about, as a company at Slate House, we are very passionate about every year increasing rent. We increase rent between 2 to 4% each year, depending on kind of market dynamics and where the apartment or house is located. So I'm going to show you here why this is such an important topic as an investor. So for this example, I'm going to use the whiteboard, and let's just assume rent's $1,000. So year one, you got $1,000, right? And let's say you increase rent that first year 3%. So let's say rent is, in this example, $1,030. Okay, and then year two, let's say you keep rent again the same. So now you got another $1,000. And let's say once again we increase rent 3%. What we've found in our data is that you increase rent 2 to 4%. Most tenants, 99% of the time, are going to be okay with that. They realize that that's inflation. Things do increase in costs and salary, and that doesn't lead to tenants kind of leaving. So let's say now rent is $1,061. You can kind of see where this is going, right? So year three, let's say it's $1,000 again. Over here, another 3% increase. Now we're at $1,093. Year four, you got it. Still $1,000, right? You're thinking, hey, I want to keep rent the same, and the tenant's happy. Tenants staying there. This happens all the time. Tenants sometimes do stay for a long time. But in year four, we're going to increase rent again 3%. Now we're up to $1,126 per month. So a pretty noticeable monthly difference here. And then year five, let's say again, tenant sticks around, doesn't want to go anywhere, they like the place, you're doing a good job kind of keeping things updated, you keep it the same, still $1,000, 3% increase, now you're up to $1,159 over 5 years. So here's where things get real interesting, right? So over this period, combined rent, what's this going to equal? Here in the category of keeping rent the same, $60,000. Okay? 60K. On the increase side, it's $65,000, $620. $65,000 and $620. That's over $5,000. $5,600 difference just by increasing rent 3% over the course of 5 years, in part due to compounding effects of increasing the rent. So in this example, you have the same unit, you just increase rent 3% a year, you're making over $5,000 a year. Now it's really interesting. What if you do this what if you own 10 properties? 10 properties, you're looking at $50,000 just by increasing rent 3%. So we are so passionate about this, strongly believe in whether you manage your own properties or you use Slate House to manage it or another property management company, please increase rent every year, 2 to 4%, and you'll see some great results. Thanks, guys.